Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to create a clear clipboard shortcut on your Windows 10 computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward tutorial, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is go ahead and right click on a blank area of your desktop, select new, and then select where it says shortcut. So in this field here, you're going to go copy in a path I'm going to have in the description of the video, guys. So just copy that. And paste it in. Select next. Now for the name of the shortcut, I'm going to call it Clear Clipboard. You can call it anything, doesn't really matter. But we're going to select finish. Pretty straightforward process, guys. Do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.